Good morning, children. We are moving on to the next term, Term 2, Chapter 1, Number System. Look at these two bills. Bill 1, ABC Textiles, particulars, pant material, shirt material and chudidar material, and rate and length of the material is given in Bill 1. And look at Bill 2. Bill 2 is a grocery bill. Here food items, rice, dal, jaggery, ghee, and its rate, quantity, price is given. Take a look at these two bills. What do you observe from these two bills? Yes, very good. The values are written in decimal form. Can you look at this? The values, length of the material is written in decimal form. Also the price is written in decimal form, and here quantity is written in decimal form and price also written in decimal form. So today we are going to learn about decimal form and its expansion and pictorial representation. Before that, we will learn about tenths, hundredths. It is different from the normal tens and hundredths. This is tenths and hundredths. Here I have drawn 10 equal parts, 10 equal columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 equal number of columns. Here I have colored only one part out of 10. So what is the fraction for this? Yes, very good. 1 by 10, because I have colored only one part out of 10 parts. So this can be read as 1/10. That is one part out of 10 whole parts. 1/10. We call this as tenths place. Similarly, here I have drawn 10 rows, 10 columns. So totally 100 cells are there, 100 blocks. In that I have colored only one part. So totally 100 parts. In that I have colored only one part. So the fraction part is 1 by 100. That is 1/100th. One part out of 100 parts. We call it as hundredths. So now representing a decimal number in the expanded form, usual form, expanded form. This one is an ordinary number, 3768. First we will expand this, then we will move on to the decimal number. So 3 is in thousands place, so 3 into 1000 plus 7 is in hundreds place, so 7 into 100 plus 6 is in tens place, so 6 into 10 plus 8 is in ones place, so 8 into 1. This is the expanded form of a normal number. So we are now going to write decimal representation of a decimal number in the expanded form. 235.68. This one is a decimal number. After the decimal, the first place is called as tenths place. Tenths, that is 1 by 10. And the second number 1 by 100. If it has a third number, then that will be 1 by 1000, that is thousandths place. And left hand side of the decimal, it is usually represented by ones, tens, hundreds, that is as usual. You can follow the same procedure. But after the decimal, that is right hand side, this is tenths place, that is tens, tenths, tenths place, 1 by 10, and next one is 1 by 100, and next one will be 1 by 1000 and so on. Now we will expand. So 2 is in hundreds place, so 2 into 100 plus 3 is in tens place, so 3 into 10 plus 5 is in ones place, so 5 into 1 plus after the decimal, this is 1 by 10. So here the number is 6, so you have to write 6 by 10. And after the number After 6, 8. This is in hundredths place, that is 1 by 100, but the number is 8. So 8 divided by 100. Or you can write 6 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 10's place, but the value here is 6. So I am writing 6 into 1 by 10 plus 8 into 1 by 100. Is it clear? Okay. Next one, representation of decimal number using place value grid. First we will look at the normal number. 3768. Same example. I am writing place value grid. So 3 is in thousands place. So 1000, 100, tens and ones. I have drawn place value grid. 3 is in thousands place. So 3 here. 7 is in hundreds place. So 7. 6 is in tens place, so 6, and 8 is in ones place, so I have written 8 here. Similarly, for this numbers, decimal number 235.68. So 100, 10, 1. So I have written 100, 10, 1. After that decimal, after the decimal, the first place will be tenths place, that is TENTHS, that is 1 by 10. And the next one will be 1 by 100, that is hundredths place. After the decimal, the first value will be tenths place, and then hundreds, and then thousands, and so on. No ones place after the decimal, that will be tenths place. So in tenths place 6, so I have written 6 here, and in hundredths place 8, so I have written 8 here. Next one is representing decimal numbers in pictorial way, pictorial representation. We can denote tens place by 10 blocks, like 10 boxes, box shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For one value in tens place, you can draw these 10 blocks. Suppose if I am having 2 in the tens place, I have to draw 2 blocks like this. For ones place, you can draw simply one box, that is enough for ones place. And for tens, after the decimal, you have to draw one square shape sheet, that's enough. So for tens place, you have to draw one block of boxes, 10 boxes. And for ones place, only one box, and for tens place, only one sheet of paper. If you have 2 or more, you have to draw 2 or more according to the number. You have to draw separately. Look at an example. Example 1.1. Represent the following decimal numbers pictorially. So first one is 0.3. Look at the number. Left hand side 0 only. So no number here. So you no need to draw any ones or tens. But after the decimal, that is right hand side, you have 3. After the decimal, the first value will be tens. For tens, you have to draw one square shape sheet. Here the number is 3. So you have to draw 3 sheets. Look at this, 3 square shape sheets. And look at next one, 3.6. Before the decimal point, that is left hand side, the number is 3. That is ones place, the number is 3. For ones place, you have to draw one box. But the number is 3 here. So for 3, you have to draw 3 boxes separately. 1, 2 and 3. And after the decimal, that is right hand side, tenths place, you have 6. For 6, you have to draw 6 square shape sheets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this pictorial representation, they didn't give the hundredths place picture. So you no need to draw and you no need to worry about that. Just simply draw ones, tens and tenths. Next one, 2.7. So before decimal, left hand side, the number is 2. For ones place, you have to draw box, one box. So the number is 2 here, so you have to draw 2 boxes separately, and for after the decimal right hand side 7, that is in tens place. For tens place you have to draw the picture of square sheet. So here number is 7, so you have to draw 7 separate sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Fourth one, 11.4. So before the decimal left hand side, ones place is there and tens place is also there. For ones place you have to draw only one box. The number is also 1, so it is enough to draw only one box. For tens place you have to draw, if it is 1 means you have to draw one block, that is 10 boxes. If it is 2 means you have to draw 2, but the number is 1, that is in tens place. For tens place you have to draw one full block, that is with 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for 10 boxes you have to draw. And after the decimal right hand side the number is 4, that is in tens place. For tens place you have to draw square sheet paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear? For tens you have to draw block, 10 boxes. You have to draw one full block with 10 boxes. And for ones place you have to draw only one box. You have to draw as many as boxes according to the number. And for tens place you have to draw the square sheet picture. According to the number you can draw the picture. Next move on to the exercise 4.1. So here pictorial representation is given. You have to write the decimal form. So look at the picture. First question, write the decimal numbers for the following pictorial representation of numbers. So first one full block represent the tens place. So here only one block. So in tens place you have to write 1. And one box represents ones place. So here 2 boxes are drawn. So in ones place you have to put 2 because 2 boxes are there. This one box represents ones place. So in ones place you have to write 2. And the square sheet shape represents the tens place. Here 2 papers are there, that is 2 shapes. So you have to write 0.2 because this is tens place after the decimal. So you have to put decimal point and then write 2. So the answer is 12.2. Second one, here 2 blocks are given. This full blocks represent tens place. Here 2 blocks are there. So in tens place you have to write the number 2. So I have written 2. And in ones place only one box is there. So I have written 1. And then this is tens place. So you have to put a decimal point and then write the tens value. Here 1, 2, 3 sheet is given. So 21.3. Is it clear? Okay. Next one, express the following in centimeter using decimals. Express the following in centimeter using decimals. First one is 5 millimeter. Before that we will recall some values. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter will be 1 by 10 centimeter, that is 1/10 of centimeter. So 1 millimeter will be 1 by 10 centimeter. So to find 5 millimeter, you have to multiply this 1 by 10 with 5. So 5 by 10 centimeter. You can write this fraction in terms of decimal like this. Write the numerator as it is and count the number of zeros in the denominator and put decimal mark according to the zeros. Here only 1 0. Consider a decimal point is here. You have to move the decimal point one step in the left hand side because here only 1 0 is given. So move the decimal 1 by 1. So it will become as 0.5. According to the zeros, you have to move the decimal place. So here only 1 0, so you have to move the decimal just one time. So here consider the decimal is here, move only one time, so the decimal will become here 0.5. Here no number is there, so I am writing 0.5 centimeter. Similarly for 9 millimeter, that will be 9 by 10 centimeter. Only 1 0 in the denominator, so you have to move the decimal only one place. So this will be 0.9, that is 0.9 centimeter. Third one is 42 millimeter. 1 millimeter is 1 by 10 centimeter. So 42 millimeter is 42 by 10 centimeter. Here only 1 0, so write the 42 as it is, and 1 0, so you have to move the decimal only one time to the left side, not in the right side. You have to move the decimal to the left side. So the decimal will be 4.2 centimeter because only 1 0, so move one time only. So 4.2 centimeter. Similarly here one is in already 8 centimeter and then other one is in millimeter. So convert this into centimeter and add with this 8. So 8 centimeter plus 9 millimeter, we have already found 9 by 10 centimeter, that is 0.9 centimeter. So the answer will be 8.9 centimeter. Fifth one, 375 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Here 375 millimeter, so 375 by 10 centimeter. Only 1 0, so you have to move the decimal only one time in the left side. So move this decimal to here. So 37.5 centimeter, only one place. Is it clear? You have to move the decimal according to the zeros in the denominator. Same method, express the following in meters using decimal. The values are given in centimeter, you have to convert it into meters. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 by 100 meter. So here 16 centimeter, so 16 by 100 meter. So here 2 zeros are there, so you have to move the decimal for 2 places. So first place after 6 and then after 1. So 2 places. 0.16 meter. Similarly 7 centimeter. 2 zeros. 7 by 100 meter. 2 zeros in the denominator. So you have to move the decimal 2 places. So 1, but no value is here. So you can write 0 and then move the decimal. So 0.07 meter, because I don't have any number here, so I can put 0 here. Okay, 0.07 meter. Next one is 43 centimeter. 43 centimeter will be 43 by 100 meter. So 2 zeros, you have to move the decimal for 2 places. So 1, 2, 0.43 meter. Next one is in meter and one is in centimeter. Convert the centimeter into meter and add with this 6 meter. So 6 meter plus 6 by 100 meter, because 6 centimeter is nothing but 6 by 100 meter. So 2 zeros, move the decimal 2 places. So 0.06, because no number here, so you can put 0 and put a dot. So 0.06 meter. So I'll get 6.06 meter. Similarly for the last one, 2 meter 54 centimeter. One is in meter and the other one is in centimeter. So convert the centimeter into meter. 2 meter plus 54 by 100 meter. So 2 zeros. Move the decimal after 2 places. So you will get 2 meter plus 0.54 meter. So the answer will be 2.54 meter. Move on to the next problem. Expand the following decimal numbers. So you have to expand the following numbers. Expansion is easy, right? So count the numbers. 37.3. 7 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. So 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus after the decimal, that is right hand side, first value will be tens place. So 3 by 10. 3 upon 10. Next one is 658.37. 6 is in hundreds place. So 6 into 100 plus 5 is in tens place. So 5 into 10 plus 8 is in ones place. So 8 into 1. After the decimal, that is right hand side, the first value will be tens. Second one will be hundreds. So 3 by 10 plus 7 by 100. Sorry, this is a mistake. 7 by 100. Next one. 237.6. Next one. 237.6. So 2 is in hundreds place. So 2 into 100 plus 3 is in tens place. So 3 into 10 plus 7 is in ones place. So 7 into 1 plus point after the decimal, that is tens place. So 6 by 10. And the last one, 5678.358. So this is 5 is in thousands place. So 5 into 1000 plus 6 is in hundreds place. So 6 into 100 plus 7 is in tens place. So 7 into 10 plus 8 is in ones place. So 8 into 1. Then decimal. After that, first one will be tens place. Last one, fifth problem. Express the following decimal numbers in place value grid and write the place value of underlined digit. So you have to write the place value grid and find the place value of the underlined digit. So first one, 53.61. You have to find the place value of this 6. So left hand side 5 3. 5 is in tens place. So write tens and ones. And after that, the first will be, after the decimal, the first digit will be tens place and the second one will be hundreds place. So 5 3 6 1. The place value of 6 will be 6 by 10 because that is tens place. So 6 by 10. Similarly for the next one, 263.271. So first one is in hundreds place, then tens, then ones. So hundreds, tens, ones. After the decimal, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 271. They asked to find the decimal value of this 2 after the decimal. So that will be tens place. That is, the answer will be 2 by 10. Fourth one, third one is homework, and fourth one, 9.657. 9, that is ones place. So only ones place. So 9. After the decimal, 6, that is tens place, and then hundreds, and then thousands. So tens place 6, hundreds place 5, thousands place 7. In hundreds place 5. So the place value of 5 is 5 by 100. And the final one, 4972.068. So first one is in thousands, next one is hundreds place 9, tens place 7, ones place 2, and after the decimal, tens, hundreds, thousands. So in tens place the number is 0, so I have written 0. After that, hundreds place 6, final one 8, thousands place. So the place value of 8 is 8 by 1000. Is it clear? Work out the exercise problems. If you have any doubts, please call me and clarify your doubts. Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, students.